Have you ever imagined your photos or pictures speaking for themselves? Today we dive into the fascinating world of AI-powered animation with
Hedra AI.
Join me as I bring you this fascinating cutting-edge technology that can bring still images or photos to life. Transform your memories into dynamic storytellers. I am the virtual giant. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Let's go.
Open your browser, log on to google.com and search for Hedra. Tap on the first option and you'll be brought to a site that looks like this. Locate the sign in button at the top right corner and log in with your Google account. Make sure to check the boxes to agree to the terms and conditions of the website. Click the drop down at the top right corner and select Create. This is the interface you will be met with, and please bear in mind that at the time of creating this video, Hedra is absolutely free. Here you can generate an audio via text to speech, or if you have a pre-recorded audio, you can as well upload it here. I want to use the text to speech, so I have already uploaded my text. That is what you're seeing right now. Next is to upload a character or input a prompt for the AI to generate a character for you. Click on the circle to upload your own image. Your image is then uploaded onto the site as shown. Now select a voice for your character by clicking on the drop down here. You can as well preview the voice by clicking on the play button next to this particular option. Click on generate video to create your talking avatar or image or photo if you like. Click on the download icon here or the three dotted lines to download your video. Now let's see how our video came out.
I believe you have enjoyed this tutorial so far. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell notification icon to be the first to know whenever I drop a new video. I am the virtual giant. See you in the next one.